Titiro, look, here comes Tamanui Te Rā. Morena, Mr. Sun. Morena, Papa Rākau. Kia ora, my name is Koka. Here in the forest with me, the 5 Patsupaerehe. Let's go and meet them. Time to wake up, Tākaro tribe.
My name is E. Kia ora, my name is O. Kia ora, my name is U.
Kia ora, Tākaro tribe.
Kia ora, Koka.
Shall we go and see who has come to visit us today?
Aye. He kia. He kia.
Yes, it's the Kia. Kia are excellent at flying. And they also love to kani, dance. Do you think they'll dance with us?
Ooh, aye.
Kei te rite koutou?
Aye.
E tū, tamariki mā. Are you ready to kani, dance, and waiata, sing with us?
Me kani, me waiata. Yay! Matike, maranga, tutai o moena e hoa mā. Matike, maranga, ne tīmata tata ki te kori tinana. Tuatahi, wirihia o ringa. Tuarua, wirihia o waiwai. Tuatoru, whātoro i te tinana. Tahi, rua, toru kei te rite. Pāpaka peke paku e. Tahi ka o mati no te rerawa e. Are whana whiua to ihuroa e. Paia! Watutuki i a koe. Matike, maranga, ko te ao kei te kapu o tō ringa. Matike, maranga. Kia pai tō rā e hoa mā? Matike, maranga.
What is that Kia has given to you?
Aua!
Tākaro tribe. That's Papa Rākau calling you. I'm sure he'll be able to tell you what Kia gave you. Haere rā, off you go.
Tamariki mā, noho mai ki aku pakiaka, whakarongo mai ki ngā kōrero o te ao marama. Aue. Tēnā koutou, Tākaro tribe.
Kia ora, Papa Rākau.
Did you enjoy dancing with the Kia?
Aira!
Tau care, awesome. I see you've brought something along with you. I think you've seen these before, but do you know what it's called?
Aua!
What shape do you think it is?
Porofita. Round.
What does it smell like? Is it kakara? Fragrant?
Ai! Kaka!
These come in lots of colors. What color is this one?
Gowhai.
It's from a plant, isn't it? In fact, I have some on my branches. Tau care. It's a puti-puti.
Puti-puti. Puti-puti.
Tau care. Awesome. It's time for us to visit some friends.
Gowhai. That's my color.
Kia ora, tamariki mā. It's time to plant some flowers in the Mara garden. Planting puti puti in the garden is lots of fun. First, they dig a hole. Now they put the plants in. And plants love white water, don't they? Look at the colors of the flowers. He are tāhua, beautiful.
Puti puti.
Did you know the word puti puti begins with the letter P? Shall we learn how to write the letter P?
Aye.
P. Start at the top and make a straight line down. Go back to the top and draw around and back to the middle. Kapai. Let's do it again. Down the side, down and around to the middle. P.
Yay!
Tauke. Awesome. I hear Koka calling you. Time for you all to visit Koka. See you next time.
Kia ora, Tākaro tribe.
Kia ora, Koka.
What did you learn about today?
Puti puti.
Puti puti. Let's learn to spell it. Do you think we need an oo?
Aye.
Do you think we need a t?
Aye. Meh.
Do you think we need a m?
Cow. Pe.
Look, a p. Do you think we need a p?
Hip. Aye. Pe.
Do you think we need another p?
Aye. Te.
Do you think we need another t?
Aye. Ke.
Do we need a k?
Cow. E.
Do you think we need an e?
Aye.
Do you think we need an oo?
Aye.
Oh, do you think we need another e?
Aye.
Sino pai. Very good. That's all the letters we need.
Kia kahara, mana wa titi, mana
Let's all say the word together, and then you can try and spell it.
Putti putti.
What sound does the word begin with?
Putti putti. Huh?
Ka pai. Huh. Now try sounding out the word putti putti.
Putti putti.
That's right. See if you can find the letters for those sounds.
P, P, U. T, T, E. Poo. T. Putti putti.
Did you manage to spell the word putti putti?
Putti putti.
Putti putti. Yay!
Tēnō pai. Very good. I knew you could do it.
They're fragrant, kakara. There are lots of colours, tai, like kōwhai, yellow, and whero, red, and we love them all. He puti puti.
What a fun day, Tākaro tribe. Time to say goodnight. Pō Mārie. Good night, Tākaro tribe.
Pō
Titiro. Here comes the moon, Mahina. Kia ora, Mahina, me ngā whetū. E moi, Tākaro tribe. See you tomorrow. Hei a pōpō.
Pō Mārie.